How to fix messages on TikTok. Hi, if you are facing direct message problem in your TikTok account, don't worry. I am here to guide you with tips and tricks. Here my message option is showing. But if yours not, then follow me. Tap and hold on app. Select app info. You are directed towards app settings. Scroll down. Select clear data. Select clear all data. Cache is deleted now. Go to the Play Store. Search TikTok. Update the app. It may take some time. After that, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile. Select 3 lines on the top. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Select Report a problem. Go to Direct Message. Select Direct Message is no longer available. Check the statement. If you are less than 16, you don't have an option. But if you are older than 16 and not getting message feature, then go back. In Settings and Privacy, find Report a problem. Select it. Now scroll down. Click on Submit a report at the bottom of page. Now write your report here. Click on Submit. Now you will see a notification from TikTok. And in 24 hours you will get response from TikTok team. Stay tuned. That's all from today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.